Welcome to Naturally Health, the channel where we talk about what your body's been silently whispering and how to bring it back into balance naturally. Let's talk about something no one really talks about: losing your sex drive. You love your partner. You feel close, but the desire, the spark, the energy to even want intimacy? Gone. You're not broken. You're not alone. And no, it's not just aging or stress. There's actually a deep-rooted biological reason for why your libido may have disappeared. And spoiler alert, popping a pill won't fix it. Let's start with the real cause: your hormones. Libido isn't just about sex. It's about vitality, life force, desire, and energy. And for women, that spark is governed by a delicate dance between estrogen, testosterone, progesterone, and cortisol. Here's a wild fact. Testosterone isn't just a male hormone. Women need it too. It's key for libido, confidence, and energy. But when you're constantly stressed, overworked, or undernourished, your body prioritizes survival over reproduction. That means cortisol goes up and libido goes down. And guess what also tanks your sex drive? Birth control pills. They flatten testosterone. Over-exercising or under-eating. Poor sleep, gut issues. Emotional disconnection from your partner and from yourself. One study from 2020 showed that 1 in 3 women reported low sexual desire, but 80% of them said their doctor never brought it up unless they did. Here's what you probably haven't been told. Your libido isn't just about sex. It's a direct reflection of how nourished, safe, and connected you feel, physically and emotionally. So how do you get it back naturally? Nourish your body deeply. Eat enough calories. Focus on healthy fats, avocados, olive oil, ghee, protein, and foods rich in zinc, B vitamins, and magnesium. Balance your hormones. Support your liver and gut so they can detox excess estrogen. Think cruciferous veggies, fiber, and fermented foods. Lower cortisol daily. Breathwork, orgasms, solo or partnered. Slow mornings, nature time. Your nervous system needs signals of safety before it can access desire. Connect with your feminine. Dance, rest, journal. Touch your body without the goal of sex. Reconnect with pleasure, without pressure. Random fact. A 2021 study published in the journal Psychoneuroendocrinology found that women who practiced daily sensual touch, even non-sexual, had higher oxytocin levels, lower stress, and reported increased libido after just 2 weeks. Your libido didn't vanish. It's just buried under stress, disconnection, and a world that's constantly asking you to give, but never receive. Let's change that. If this video made you feel seen, give it a like, share it with a woman who needs this reminder, and subscribe to Naturally Health, where we help you heal your body, reconnect with your desire, and feel alive again, the way nature intended.